YouTube. Hey man, what's going on, man? It's your boy Fish back with another video. And man, today is a day that my streak officially ends with posting a video every single day. It officially ends today. And I don't even know how to feel about that. I don't know how to feel, but it's cool. It's just a day. The only thing though, I don't want this day to turn into another day and another day and another day to where I don't post. But today though, my little sister has a game, a football game. She's a dancer in the senior night, so I'm gonna be attending that. I'm actually about to go stop, get me some food because I'm hungry. I haven't eaten nothing all day. I've been up like editing videos and stuff. So I'm about to head to get this food. I don't know where I'm about to get food from. I don't know where I'm gonna get food. I low-key want to get like Taco Bell. So I haven't had Taco Bell in a minute, so I might go to Taco Bell, grab some food from there, and then we're gonna head back home. Probably wait for my sister game to start, then we're gonna head up there, and that'll be about it. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and let's get into it. Yes, sir.
Hi, thanks for choosing Taco Bell. What would you like today?
Let me see.
What can I get for you today?
1 second.
What would you like today?
That's new. Can I get a wild strawberry?
All right.
No,
Just
no,
checking.
a number.
Can I get you anything else?
A number 10. Number 10.
Not sure I caught that. Would you like anything else?
Wrong. That's the wrong order. What the?
Not sure I caught that. Is there?
Thank you. Thank you. Yes, the number 10.
And for the drink, you want the strawberry drink?
Oh yeah.
Alright. Anything else?
Can I get a soft taco instead of the crunchy?
Soft instead of crunchy?
Yeah, and then can I just get the hot taco sauce and stuff, and that's it.
Alright. It's gonna be $11.79.
Appreciate that. Literally, why have AI on the intercom for taking people orders?
It's gonna be $11.79.
Appreciate that, boss. Is it always like that? The AI?
Yeah, sometimes it messes up.
That's trash.
I'm sorry about that.
AI is horrible. Appreciate that. Appreciate that, boss. AI is horrible.
Hot sauce?
Yeah, hot sauce, yeah. AI is horrible for that, bro. Like, you should not be making no... I should not have to... Appreciate that, man. Thank you. AI should not be on the intercom. I just literally ordered... I wish I was literally recording this whenever I was making the order. At least I was on live, so they was able to hear it, but I'm sitting there trying to order food, and the AI is messing on my order. I told her number 10, she put number 2. And the person on the intercom, he has the mic on, but he refuses to get on the mic and talk to me rather than having the AI. I can already see. That's what they moving to now? It's over with. Make no sense right there. But let me head to the crib, man. Let's head to the crib. Alright, man, y'all probably can't hear me, but I'm at the game with my little sister. Say hey. Yeah, I'm waiting on my little sister to start dancing. It's real rowdy right now. Alright, y'all probably can hear me now. It was real loud, but I'm waiting on my little sister to perform. Supposedly my mom got to perform with my sister. This about to be real funny because she was at home rehearsing. But I'm waiting for them to perform. I'm gonna record that. And then I gotta walk on the field with my sister. And that should be pretty much it. We're just waiting right now until they start What you?
We just waiting right now.
Well, yeah, I'm gonna get with y'all when we start walking the field or when they start performing. Look at my sister. Mama, show your moves. Lord have mercy. Got my little sister and my mama getting ready to walk. You excited? Yeah. So what's up? About to walk the track. I don't know why we're not walking the field, but I don't know. I'm just happy to be here with my little sister.
Where you at? Hello?
All right, y'all. This is senior night. Everybody on here. Y'all, look, y'all, look, y'all, look, y'all. Y'all on YouTube. Y'all on YouTube. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Come on.
West up. West up.
See, you did it wrong.
West up.
Way.
Oh. West up.
Lord have mercy. My little sister, man. Come on, keep going, keep walking. Let's get it.
Just wave when they say your name.
Yeah, there you go. Wait, you gotta wave. There you go. Yeah, sister. Yeah, say it. Sister, yeah. All right. Get that step. Come on. Yeah. Look at the camera. What's up? There you go. You gonna do what? Oh Lord. Funny. No way. That's crazy. Alright, man, that game is over with. My sister performed and everything. I didn't record a lot because I was just watching my sister and, you know what I'm saying, just in the moment. But now I'm actually getting gas right now because I need gas. I literally just got gas like not too long ago, and I'm already needing gas again. So I'm about to get gas. Then I'm gonna head to the school to pick up my little sister. It's gonna be a little minute before I even get her because she on the dance team. They take their sweet time getting to the school and releasing everybody. So let's get this gas. Yeah, so it's Friday. It was a good day, man. We about to go home, get on live. About to live stream. Right now we currently at I think we at like 6,500 some subs. I'm going for a 7K tonight. The way I'm feeling, I'm going for 7K. Hopefully I can get it. If not, I mean, I got all weekend to get 7K. But my plan is to at least end this weekend. Like by Sunday, I plan to be at like 8K for sure. So I literally have, well, really by Monday, I plan to be at like 8K. So I'm trying to push myself to get to 10K by the end of the month. And we kind of close. We're getting there. But I'm just excited, man. Like, I'm grateful to still be breathing. I'm grateful to wake up in the morning. A lot of people didn't get to wake up this morning. You know what I'm saying? So just me being able to wake up is a blessing in itself. Lord bless you. We got our gas. Let's get on up out of here. I want receipt. I already flip. Hey, give me a receipt just in case I try to scam me. Hey, bro, CTS hard. Dang. But let me get out of here. I think I'm about to get pulled over, chat. I don't know. I guarantee you, if I get pulled over, he gonna say my exhaust because I am not speeding. He literally just got behind me. He just put his high beams on to look at my license plate. Please don't pull me over because I ain't did nothing. I'm just recording this just in case because I know he literally done got right behind me, like literally. And my car popping too. That's like the worst time for it to be popping is right now. Literally the worst time. Oh bet. Thank you. Get away from me. Get away from me. Pass me up, please. Lord. He was ready. Look at him. Just ready. You don't see about that. Look, I can tell. I can't even see. He was ready to pull me over. I'm telling you. All right, man, it is currently the next day, which is my sister's birthday, and bro, she don't do nothing today, which I can understand it, but she really don't do nothing. She got her nose pierced, like she pierced her own nose today, and then I think she went to go work at like a poll. I think it's called like a voter's poll. She went and she worked that this morning, and then she came back home, and she just been chilling. Like she don't want to do nothing else, which I don't blame her. It is her senior year though, so like. She really kind of doing me a big favor and my mom because she ain't doing nothing today. Because she still got prom, Christmas, which we really ain't been buying. We don't really buy gifts like that on Christmas no more. That was like a little child stage when we used to get all them gifts. But we probably get like one or two things for Christmas. It'd probably be like some jewelry or something or some shoes. That'd be it. But we don't be going all out on Christmas no more. Like that was like the little kid stage. But yeah, still got Christmas. She got prom coming up. Y'all know how prom get. I'm pretty sure she gonna wanna wear some type of night, like a fancy little dress and all that stuff. So got prom, and then she also got graduation. So it's a lot of stuff that is coming up. So I don't blame her for not wanting to do nothing today. But I'm not doing nothing myself. I just got done eating some food. I went to pick up some seafood for me, my sister, and my mom. We had some boiled shrimp. I just ate that, like I just tore it up, and I'm probably about to go in the house and get on stream. I didn't post yesterday, and honestly, I don't feel bad about it. I really don't feel bad about not uploading for that one day. I'm actually gonna take a lot of days where I'm not gonna be uploading this much, just for the simple fact that I just want my content to be. I want my content to be way better. You know what I'm saying? Like, I just want my content to be better. So I haven't been just rushing. I've been taking my time with these videos now. So I didn't prove that I can be consistent. Like I'm still going live. I'm still posting shorts. I'm still doing everything I'm supposed to be doing. It's just videos that I'm gonna take a chill pill on. And I'm also about to go get into some schools and stuff. So I don't even have a lot of time to be posting every day like that anyway. Trucking was literally the only job that I was able to upload every day on, because trucking, you really don't do nothing as a trucker, bro, but drive, literally. Drive and dock, and uncouple. Couple and uncouple. That's all you do as a truck driver. You don't do nothing else. So it was so easy for me to post every day. But now, we on to bigger and better things, man. So, yeah. I'm probably about to go in the crib, chill, and call it a day, because my sister don't do nothing. I ain't got nothing else to do, and I don't want to spend no money. So let's go in the crib, get on live. That's what we got going on today. And yeah. All right, man. Today is Sunday. I went to church, and then I just came to the grocery store to grab some stuff to cook. I'm cooking chicken wings, cabbage, macaroni and cheese, and yams. And about to get ready to cook that. I really have not been vlogging a lot. Like, I have not been vlogging. I just been chilling. I just been like just chilling and having a little fun, having a little me time, just off camera. That's why I haven't really been putting a lot of stuff out. I have not uploaded in the last 2 days, but I do plan to upload today because I don't want to go on a crazy drought. So hopefully y'all enjoyed today's video or vlog or whatever. I'm probably gonna start trying to plan to post maybe 3 times a week instead of every day. So probably like Monday, Wednesday, Friday, or something like that. I haven't figured out a real schedule yet to upload. But I'm gonna start doing that rather than just uploading every day. But I'm still gonna be going live. I'm still gonna be posting shorts, so y'all just stay tuned for that. So with that being said, man, I love everybody. I hope y'all have a great day, or y'all had a great day, whatever time you're watching it. And I'll see you on the next one. Your boy Fish is out. Peace.
AJ keep telling me unleash the beast who been dormant inside, but that come with intensity. V3 side, I know you